Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel, KEMARI Reaction. I'm here to do another reaction video to the group CNCO, and this is which Spanish accent is the sexiest. This is part 2 with CNCO. I did a reaction to part 1 already. Hopefully YouTube haven't blocked that yet, but I need to go check. But this is the current CCO. Unfortunately, Joel is no longer part of the group, so we went from 5 to now 4, which includes Abdiel from Puerto Rico. If I can remember correctly, Christopher is from Ecuador, Eric is from Cuba, and Baby Daddy Richard is from Dominican Republic. So I'm gonna react to this.
Una paleta para que tú me chupas.
Ooh, your girl is back. I'm not a selfish girl.
Love her.
Experience the illustrious international pop star CNCO. These girls are not ready.
Love you, Joyce. I love her energy. Live for it.
My name is Lindsay, and this is my first
Hey, Lindsay.
Hey, everyone. I'm Carolina, and I'm
Hey,
a
Carolina.
fan of CNCO.
Oh.
Hi, my name is Kimmy, and I don't know whose voice is who with CNCO.
Yes,
but
Kimmy
I
Kim.
will find out who's the sexiest for y'all.
Mr. Cuba.
Cute.
Oye, baby, no es por nada, pero sabes, desde que entré me encantó.
Come on, Eric. Love this new color, hair color.
Me encantan las rubias como tú.
Oh.
Bueno, eso por ahí también me voy lentamente. Esa ropa te queda demasiado.
Ay, Dios. Oh my God, stop.
Yo creo que de hecho nos vemos muy bien juntos.
Oh my God. Wow, it's like 110 degrees in here.
Oh, girl, getting wet.
Creo que te ves hot.
Yeah, it's hot. I'm sweating.
Y espero que no tengas novio porque hablándote así tan cerca.
It's like I can know their voices now sometimes. I think I'm getting better with knowing their voices.
Vamos a ir de party.
Your gum smells nice.
I'm gonna see if I can tell this next one.
Estás demasiado
Next one who's coming up.
sexy.
Oh, God.
Literalmente.
What they telling me?
Meter a confesar unas cositas.
Mr. Dominican Republic.
You're gonna fall.
Don't worry, I'll catch you.
Whoa! I did not see that coming.
Si tu cuerpo fuera una cárcel
That voice.
y tu brazo una cadena, yo contigo pues pasaría cualquier condena.
I don't know what you're saying, but I trust it.
Yo creo que si tú fueras una naranja, me gustaría.
It's so funny. I sent it to my other friend of the group CNCO because their concert here in Miami, Fort Lauderdale area. It's next week it's on the 17th, and my friend was like, "Who are they?" I was like, "The CNCO," and I was telling them, I was like, "No, where they're from," and they was like, "Oh, the one from Dominican Republic. Oh, he's trouble." I said, "Yes." I said, "Don't he remind you of those Dominican Republicans we go to school with?" And he was like, "Yeah." I was like, You get the vibes.
A partir. Si yo tuviera un deseo, yo desearía.
But I don't like this hair, Richard. I want
darte todo el día.
Oh, God.
Oh.
This is not.
That
It's
sounded
so
inappropriate.
Basically.
Oh my God.
El chocolate de coco así blanco. Yo me lo comería así todo el día.
Oh.
I'm so stressed.
Me encantaría hacer una paleta para que tú me chupas.
Oh, he's so nasty.
Cut.
Mr.
Ecuador.
Bizcochito.
Chris.
Contigo yo rompo mi dieta.
Don't be shy. I don't bite sometimes.
Yo no muerdo tampoco. Hasta que no me lo pidan.
Oh my God.
Munch, munch.
Tú sabes que me
Crunch,
lo voy a comer
crunch.
tú.
Christopher is here eating lunch.
Necesito un tornillo como yo, ¿verdad? Te queda muy bien esa blusita. En verdad estás bien bonita.
I really do love this blonde in him.
that was a compliment.
He's giving me white boy
Un
realness.
zapatero. Para trabajar en todo ese cuero. ¿Entera? ¿Qué
Yes.
estamos haciendo aquí, señores?
I know.
¿Qué está pasando con el cielo? Que los ángeles están cayendo.
Okay. I talk however I talk. I reciprocate. No, I don't know what I'm saying. I can't even think straight right now.
Mr. Puerto Rico.
Y'all know I love my Zapiel. I love my Puerto Rican, okay? Oh god, I made sure I took a couple of shots of apple juice.
Oh God.
¿Sabes quién es CNCO?
Sí.
¿Cuál es tu favorito?
All I know is I like tall men.
Vamos bien.
Yes, yes, yes.
Lindsay.
I agree with your sister.
I never heard it say like that.
What? Because my accent?
Yes.
¿De dónde tú eres?
De México.
Tienes que ir a PR.
Ugh.
Ahí tenemos, ¿sabes qué tenemos ahí? Alcapurria.
Alcapurria.
¿Tú sabes cuál es mi plato favorito?
No, I don't know. This sounds like a dirty question, but
No,
what?
nada, cuando vayamos a Puerto Rico, te voy a dar arroz con habichuela, gandules.
Are we going to Puerto
Oh, I
Rico?
love me some pigeon peas.
Do I need a passport?
Yes.
Nosotros tenemos el mayo ketchup.
Mayonesa.
Na, 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 na.
Okay.
Coño, como que estamos vibeando, en verdad.
I like, yeah.
Sí, baby, yo soy el mayo y tú eres el ketchup. No fongo.
No fungo.
¿Sabes qué?
No.
Ah, bien, después te enseño.
Ooh.
I guess I'm gonna go out to eat after this, you guys. I feel all the testosterone around me.
I'm being.
right now.
I'm gonna be very. I don't want to be biased because I love my Puerto Rican. I'm gonna be biased, but I love how it's almost like they're so comfortable now. They're so comfortable. They're so expressive now. I love the earring that Zabdiel has. They look so good. You just want to eat them up. Like I said, I don't speak Spanish. I don't understand everything shit they're saying. And I was like, oh my god, I was kind of worried about going to their concert next week. I was like, oh my god, I don't really understand too much what they're saying, but it sounds so good. But I guess I'm gonna go there and try to support myself. I really do like this group. I think they sound really good. And I wish they could give me another Deja Vu type of esque album, because the album was everything to me. And the winner who won the album, I need to contact her because I need to get this album to her ASAP. Seriously. But it was so good. I don't want to be, but Richard is like somebody you would take to your bedroom. Zabdiel too. So with Eric, so with Chris. But I've already explained to this guy when I first reacted to the group. These are guys who I went to school with. These are the guys who be friends together. I went to school with. You have Richard is a bad boy. Eric is a pretty boy. Chris is a funny one. And Zabdiel is a chill dude. I've already explained this, my verdict of this group. It's so hard to choose. I love Zabdiel. I do. I want him.
I'm gonna go with number 3. The laugh really got me.
Oh yeah, he's very good personality.
I would say the second one stood out to me.
Oh,
it was really just deep, a deep voice. I feel like you had a mission and you delivered. And then the third one was
My favorite. I'm not picking. Yeah, I gotta catch them all like Pokemon.
Oh, I like that, girl.
Ooh.
Are you ready to see them home?
Oh no.
Hi! I'm good, how are you?
Nice
to meet you. Hello!
Ah, wow, yo. Nice to meet you, yo.
Hi, hello.
Sé que estás loca por escogerme, pero no. No dijiste nada, qué buena gente. Para no hacerlo sentir mal.
Sí, para no hacerlo sentir
Está bien. Coño, yo pensé que estábamos vibeando, pero...
Pensaba que era una...
No tu mayonesa, you eras mi ketchup, pero... I'm kind of mad with you, though.
Because you didn't win?
Yeah.
You're number 2. He made me nervous. He was a savage with his pickup line.
Yes.
How can you say no to these beautiful faces?
Oh, she's gorgeous. Love that blonde. Oh, she's getting too close to Zabdiel. I don't like that. So that was a cute watch. Oh, those shots are kicking in. So that was part 2 to what accent sounds better. Like I said, I'm being very biased because I do love and like Puerto Rican. I cannot wait to go to Puerto Rico. There's some few spots that my friends went to and they visit, and they basically create a list for me to go visit when I go to Puerto Rico. And I also want to go to Cancun, Mexico. My boss went there and he had such a good time. So I too want to visit Cancun, Mexico. Okay, travel. But as always, I want to say whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section to get to me as soon as possible. As always, you can use this like too. Bye.